Which is better for your health? Working out on the treadmill or skipping breakfast? Hello everyone, and welcome back to Total Health Turnaround, where we tackle all things related to nutrition, health, and wellness. We will present the pros and cons of both activities, and you will absolutely know which activity is best for you by the end of this video. Each activity has its own health benefits, and you can decide which is a better fit for your lifestyle. We all know someone who put in the time on the treadmill, and they are rightly proud of themselves. This is a great workout and can improve your cardiovascular health, aid in weight loss, strengthen your muscles, improve your mental health after only 10 days, and enhance your brain health and memory, regulate blood sugar, and improve your quality of sleep. A typical result from a treadmill user who runs 45 minutes at a pace of 6 miles per hour or 9.7 kilometers per hour will cause them to lose about 500 calories. Let's put that in perspective. 500 calories equals 4 strips of bacon, or 1 plain bagel with plain cream cheese, or 2 Snickers bars, or a half a rack of Chili's baby back ribs, or a Subway 6-inch Black Forest ham on wheat bread with vinegar and oil and no cheese or toppings. Let's jump over to the benefits of skipping breakfast. As you probably know, skipping breakfast is part of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting means that there is a specific window each day when you eat your meals. 16-8, for example, 16 hours of fasting and an 8-hour window when you do eat. One of the main benefits of eating this way is called autophagy. Autophagy is a Greek word that means self-eating. It is a process that keeps your body's cells in balance by taking old or damaged components in a cell and recycling them. The recycled parts are turned into amino acids and can be used for fuel or to form new proteins. Autophagy is the vacuum cleaner for removing poorly performing cells in our bodies. It is amazing. The downside to skipping breakfast is it is not for everyone. It takes a great amount of willpower to skip a meal that you're used to eating daily. If you want to go for it, I highly recommend it because of autophagy. Start by moving your breakfast out 30 minutes later every other week or so until you finally overlap the meal that you would have for lunch. Now you simply eat lunch and dinner and skip breakfast every day. You must also avoid snacking between meals to avoid sabotaging your hard work. Now that we've covered each activity's pros and cons, let's discuss your goals. If weight loss is one of your top goals, changing your food intake quality and quantity will be much more effective than running on a treadmill alone. But like running on a treadmill, exercise is amazing and well worth the work. Combining an improved diet with the treadmill will maximize your results if you have pounds to lose. By eliminating highly processed foods like donuts, muffins, breakfast cereals, and sodas, and replacing those poor choices with whole foods like chicken, salmon, salads, and cooked vegetables, you will accelerate your results and improve your cardiovascular health and muscle strength at the same time. One last suggestion for those looking to accelerate your weight loss. The ketogenic diet is a very effective meal plan to help you lose excess weight. The keto diet is where you lower your daily carbohydrate intake to 20 grams per day or less. You can eat healthy fats, proteins, most vegetables, and like skipping breakfast, eating the keto way does take willpower. But the results are amazing if you can do it. Combining keto and the treadmill or daily brisk walks will accelerate your positive results. You do not have to do intermittent fasting or skip breakfast to lose weight. If you improve the quality of your food from poor choices to eating healthy whole foods, avoid snacking in between meals, and do some exercise, you can still lose weight. To clarify, if you want to lose weight, exercise alone, like running on a treadmill, will make your journey a long one if you do not fix the amount and types of food you eat. Lastly, excessive alcohol can sabotage your efforts, so please minimize your consumption of alcohol. One last piece of great news: once you reach your desired weight, your treadmill workout can continue to keep you aerobically sound and mentally happy. Blending the proper diet with a regular exercise routine is a home run for your health and well-being. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I appreciate your kind support. Please let me know in the comments what other type of videos you would like to see in the future. Until next time, I will see you in the next video.